Good morning! Welcome to our What's New Wednesday update for December 9th, 2020.
We're going to start this week's video with some of the new items we've received at our libraries. This week's new materials include Hidden Treasures by Jane K. Cleland. It's the latest in the Josie Prescott Antiques Mystery Series. After moving into a new home on the rugged New Hampshire coast and beginning renovations, Josie finds an old mysterious trunk which leads to a disappearance, and then some murder. Clive, Cussler, and Boyd Morrison have a new entry in the Organ Files series titled Marauder. Juan Cabrillo and the crew of his ship, the Organ, must stop a terrorist plot to release a deadly chemical weapon across the globe. And when Juan's crew members begin to fall victim, he knows it's up to him to find the antidote before it's too late. Creative Cosplay by Amanda Haas is a new non-fiction book about the hobby of cosplay and will guide you through the process and what to expect when creating a costume. Let's hope that in-person conventions return for 2021 so you can put these skills to good use. And last, from the writer-director of Train to Busan comes a sequel, Peninsula. 4 former soldiers must return to Korea to complete a secret mission. Oh, and Korea is full of zombies now.
All of these items and the rest of our collection are available through curbside service. Just visit our online catalog to place a hold for the items you want, or give us a call to reserve those items.
We will be continuing to operate with curbside service only at this time since our community's rate of COVID cases is still high.
Curbside service is available Monday through Thursday by appointment only. You can call us at 270-338-4760 to reserve items and schedule a pickup.
You can find more information about our curbside service on our website.
And you can also visit the website to check out the online catalog and even place holds there for items you'd like to borrow.
In case you missed it last week, you should also be aware that we are running a winter reading challenge this month.
Every time you check out items from the library during the month of December, you'll be entered into our prize drawing. We'll draw a winner at the end of the year.
This only applies to physical items that are borrowed from us. We are unable to include ebooks and digital audiobooks for this contest. However, all physical checkouts will count towards the contest, including those picked up curbside.
We also want to announce this morning that we're giving away more of our gingerbread house kits. These kits were so popular when we announced them early this month and were all claimed so quickly that we decided we should make a few more.
We're only giving away the simple gingerbread kits this time since those were the most popular option. These kits come with graham crackers, frosting, and plenty of candy to decorate with.
Registration opened this morning for the new batch of gingerbread kits, and you can find a link to the registration form on our social media pages.
Again, supplies are limited, so pre-registration is a must. We do expect this second batch to go quickly also, so don't delay.
We do ask again that you only request 1 kit per household for this round of kits, since our supplies are limited and we want to provide materials to as many homes as possible.
If we have extra kits, we will of course allow people to request extras on a first-come, first-served basis.
These kits will be available for pickup via curbside service next week.
Finally, we'll have one more craft giveaway for our Storytime age children. The final craft kit of the year will be available next week. Then we'll take a break for the holidays.
Make sure you're registered by the end of the day Friday if you want to receive next week's Storytime craft kit.
That's all we have for this week's update. Thanks for joining us on this What's New Wednesday.
Stay safe and have a great week.